This is Ask Anastasia and I'm here with my friend and we're still finding some interesting things about this car. Let me show you. I have no idea how to get back. Hello? Okay. So what you do, you go to this little box right here and you're going into toolbox, I believe. Nope. Get back here. Entertainment. Nope. I'm still learning. Get back. Toolbox. Okay, and they have this one. I know that people find it really ridiculous, but what is do you see this thing? And this is the sound. Yeah, you can play on your friends and you can change it. You know, and you can put it to different, I believe, like, I'm losing it. Okay, let's go. Look at this. It's my friend. She's having fun. Okay, yeah, it is bad. But what I did wrong, you know what's happened? First, it can be fart on demand. You push this, but what I did, I put this one. And what's happening, you know, when you're driving, you do any of this. Right now we're not driving, so you cannot see it, but every time you need to change a lane or something, it's making this ridiculous sound and I have to stop. I have to exit freeway and stop because it was so annoying, you know. So don't do this, don't change it for this one. And we find another one, which is you push here, romance, and you push get cozy, and that's what we are getting. Like, you don't need to go.
And I hold hands with my boyfriend.
Yeah. And this has this cracking sound of fire. It's day right now, so it's not that cozy, but it is when it's cold and you're just sitting in a car. So it's still some nice things about the car. Okay, thank you, bye.